Welcome to the FlaxxaStudios review for 2025. In the world of online business, having high-quality visuals is key to success. FlaxxaStudios aims to be the all-in-one AI design platform that simplifies the design process for everyone, regardless of their skill level. From creating logos to designing product mockups, this platform claims to eliminate the need for extensive design training or expensive software. With features like a perfect text engine and batch image generation, FlaxxaStudios promises speed, quality, and ease of use. This review tests the platform's claims and provides a detailed analysis of its capabilities and whether it's worth your investment. Explore how FlaxxaStudios stands in the competitive field of AI design tools and what it can truly deliver for content creators, e-commerce sellers, and small agencies. Are the outputs polished and professional, or do they fall short? Let's find out. Check the description box for the product link and the full written review. If this video was helpful, give it a like, drop a comment, and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and smart business tools.